Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the tracking service tied to your account. Sign in immediately so location polling can begin. Once signed in, make sure device location and network history are requested to force a fresh ping. You should also note the phone's IMEI and last reported timestamp because that helps providers and police. If the device is offline, enable notification for when it goes online and prepare a contact phone or email for alerts so you don't miss the update. You now take active steps. Trigger a ring at maximum volume to locate nearby, because vibration or silent modes are overridden by the service. Next, lock the phone remotely and display a clear contact message and alternate number so an honest finder can return it. This preserves data while you recover the device. If sensitive data is at risk and recovery seems unlikely, consider remote erase, only after you accept loss, since erasing disables further location updates. You finish by notifying your carrier to suspend service and blacklist the IMEI, and file a police report supplying the IMEI and last known coordinates. This prevents misuse. Once done, review recent login and IP activity in your account to spot unauthorized access and change passwords. If recovery fails, claim insurance or start device replacement, but keep monitoring the tracking service. Sometimes a device reconnects days later. If nothing appears, retry contact and escalate to your carrier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.